I've mentioned samples before, so now let's look into them. In the downloaded package, beside documentation and concierge installer, you have sample folder samples. In here you have couple, well, more than 30 at the moment of this recording, folders. Each of these folder is a so-called sample. Sample is pretty much the red app, ready to work with code exposed, so you can look into it. This is pretty much the helper for the red app developer. So let me just open git bash, for example, in here, and open it into Visual Studio Code. You can recognize the folder structure. So each sample pretty much contains a showcase or of some functionality. In this case, we are showing off triggering on an event. Some samples are pretty small, like pretty much 20 lines. Other are much more extensive, depends on what we want to show. So the aim of the samples is to show developer how to code something, not to focus on business logic. So that's why you can spot many hiders, console logs, hello worlds, and so on in there, because we focus on the actual code in them. So you can go ngv run in the folder. Just make sure that you're in the web src / name of the samples with web module postfix. So the place where you have the core src package.json and so on. You can go with ngv run and then load the sample into working Sabre Red web client. So just copy the URL and add it to this puzzle piece. The red app I loaded is this one, fire event. So it triggers an event and other red apps handle it. So the samples are the usually small red apps that aims to showcase a feature from the SDK. Also, those samples show the red app developer how to use certain feature in a code. Developers are the main audience for the samples.